Hello everyone, welcome to the walkthrough on online distributor empanelment through the distributor portal. In this video, I will guide you through the complete empanelment process, including the information you need to provide, the documents required, mandatory validation, and a few important points to remember before submitting your application. Let's get started. Open any web browser and visit the PPFS GIFT website. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the distributor section. Click Empanel with Us, select Others, and then click Apply Now. The distributor empanelment portal will open. The application process consists of 6 simple steps. Step 1. Distributor details. Begin by entering your personal details. Enter your name exactly as it appears on your PAN card. Next, enter your PAN number and your date of birth. Now fill in your registered address, including address line, country, state, city, PIN code. Enter your communication details, including mobile number and email address. Telephone number and fax are optional. Once you have entered your mobile number and email address, complete the OTP verification for both. After successful verification, click on Save and Continue. Now step 2. Bank details. In this section, enter your IFSC code and click Fetch Bank Details. The system will automatically populate the following details such as bank name, city, branch address. Now enter the remaining mandatory information, bank account number, account type. After verifying all the details, click Save and Continue. Step 3 is Nominee details. Please note, this section is applicable only for individual empanelment. Enter the nominee information carefully. Provide the following details such as nominee name, relationship with the applicant, whether the nominee is a minor. Once all the details are entered, click Save and Continue. Step 4 is Additional details. In this section, enter the required additional information. Next is select your certification type. Please note an important point. Only a valid ARN or APRN card issued by AMFI is accepted for individual distributor empanelment. NISM certification alone is not accepted for this process. After completing the details, click Save and Continue. Step 5 is Document Upload. Now upload the required supporting documents. First, select your address proof type. Next, indicate whether you have GST registration, MSME certificate. If applicable, enter the certificate number and upload the corresponding document. Then upload all the mandatory documents as required by the portal. Once all documents have been uploaded successfully, click Save and Continue. Step 6 is Declaration and Agreement. Review the declaration carefully. Accept the terms and conditions by selecting the checkbox. Enter the digital signature date. Finally, click Submit Application. Once your application is submitted successfully, the system will generate a PG code. Please save this PG code for future reference and for tracking the status of your empanelment application. Your individual distributor empanelment application has now been submitted successfully. Let's move on to non-individual distributor empanelment process. For the individual distributors, you can skip this section and move to the timestamp mentioned for rejection details. Let's move to partnership firm. If you are applying as a partnership firm, the application process from the distributor details to additional details is the same as the individual empanelment process. However, the nominee section is not applicable for non-individual empanelments, including partnership firms. The only additional requirement in additional details where you will need to enter the authorized signatory list, ASL details for each authorized partner, including the member name, PAN number, and Aadhaar number. In the document upload section, upload all the mandatory documents along with the partnership agreement and ASL members' KYC documents. If GST or MSME registration is available, upload the respective certificates. The declaration and submission process remains the same, and a PG code will be generated after a successful submission. Now let's move to LLP empanelment. For LLP empanelment, the application flow is also the same as the individual process. In additional details, enter the authorized signatory list ASL details, including the member name, PAN number, and Aadhaar number for all authorized signatories. During document upload, upload all the mandatory documents along with the LLP deed and board resolution. The sample VR format is available for your reference. You can download it and upload the document in the same format. Complete the declaration, submit the application, and note the generated PG code. Now for HUF empanelment, if you are applying under the HUF category, The application process is almost identical to the individual empanelment process. In additional details, select the appropriate certification type. Remember that only a valid ARN card issued by AMFI is accepted. In the document upload section, upload all the mandatory documents along with the HUFD. After completing the declaration and submitting the application, a PG code will be generated for your future reference. Proprietorship empanelment. For proprietorship empanelment, the application process is same as the individual process. The only difference is in the document upload step. Along with the standard mandatory documents, you will need to upload either a GST certificate or a bank statement which clearly mentions both the proprietor form name and the proprietor's name as proof of proprietorship. After uploading the documents, complete the declaration, submit the application, and save the generated PG code. Now let's come to rejection process. If your empanelment application is rejected, you will receive a rejection mail on a registered email ID. The email will mention the reason for the rejection. You have to simply click on correct and resubmit your application provided in the mail. You have to make the required corrections and resubmit your application. Once the changes are made, your application will be processed again. Thank you.